In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Among Us black screen or stuck on loading screen. So first, you want to go to Windows Security. Here, you want to go to Virus and Threat. Go to Manage Settings, turn off Real Time Protection, and try to start the game. If it works, then what you have to do is turn this back on. Go down here and go to Add or Remove Exclusions. Add an exclusion and then folder. Find the Among Us game folder. Find the installation folder and just like you want to link it. So find the just find the game folder for for Among Us, and then just click select folder to add it here. So this will be added to the excluded softwares that will not be blocked by Windows Security. So let's say you did all of this and you're still having issues, then I suggest trying to go to Manage Settings again. This time turn all of these off. Turn this off, this off, and this off. And then try again and see if it works. Now if you're still having this issue, then I recommend going and to the settings of the game. So when you go to Among Us, you want to right click and then go to Properties. So right click on Among Us and then Properties and then Compatibility. Then select these three options. Make sure you tick these three options before you run the game. And after that, click Apply and then click OK and check if it works. So it might be an issue that has to do with your graphics cards. So check if your graphics cards are up to date. So you can check the drivers here by just making sure you download the latest one. And once you download the latest drivers, you also need to restart the PC to make sure they load up correctly. And hopefully this fixes the issue.